What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and today I want to talk to you about the $25 one-up system. How you can start changing your life by using this simple step-by-step system, right, where you're going to be able to earn 100% commissions. The really great thing about this opportunity is that it's a global opportunity, right? It's a one-time investment that can potentially change your life. There are no monthly fees, right? And you will have the ability to earn 100% commissions the same way that I've been able to earn 100% commissions. As you can see right here, today I've been able to make over $1,500 in a single day using this simple step-by-step system. So no matter if you are a complete newbie, you have zero experience, we're going to give you the step-by-step training where we're going to show you how you can start changing your life starting today. As you can see right here, the $25 one-up system has allowed me to make this type of income in a single day, right? All these commissions are coming in on a daily basis, unlimited $500 commissions, $250 commissions, $125 commissions. Now, you might be saying, well, maybe you're just the only one making money, but you can see right here, we have our team members making income on a consistent basis, right? Making an extra $250, making an extra $500, making an extra $100, and so on. So you can look at all these testimonials. Some of these team members have zero experience, are completely newbies, right? When it comes to making money online, they're getting access to our step-by-step training and they're changing their lives. So this is for anybody that is maybe tired of working their 9-to-5 job and they want to make this their career, right? Becoming an online digital entrepreneur, just like me. I used to work 2 full-time jobs, working 70+ hours a week. And now that I'm using the power of the internet and using simple systems such as the $25 one-up, now these systems have allowed me to earn multiple 6 figures online. And you're going to get access to, again, the step-by-step training that will show you exactly how you can get your business up and running and how you can start making an extra income working part-time from home. And so you can see all these testimonials right here, right? And I'm super excited to have you become part of our team. You're going to be added to our private support team, right? A lot of people that are coming on board that are complete newbies, they always want to be surrounded with people that are like-minded, that are ready to help them, right? Answer their questions along the way. And so again, you're going to be added into our community here on Facebook so we can answer all of your questions once you get started so we can help you get up and running. And you're also going to receive ongoing trainings, right, from our creator, TJ. So, super excited. There are 4 different levels to this system, okay? The first level, okay, it's the gold level, which is the one-time investment of $25. At this level, you will only position yourself to earn $25 commissions, and you're going to receive the 100 pre-written ads that you're going to be copying and pasting on social media, right? And at the platinum level, which is the one-time investment of $100, at this level, you will position yourself to earn $100 commissions, okay? And you're going to get access to some powerful strategies, teach you how to use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, right, to grow your business. And so at the diamond level, which is a one-time investment of $250, which is the one that you at least want to come into if you're serious about building a long sustainable business online. At the $250 level, you will position yourself to earn $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions. At this level, you're going to get access to the $10,000 per month blueprint, right? You're going to get access to how you can start making money with Teespring, how you can run your business on complete autopilot using the power of video marketing. You don't want to miss out on this higher level, which is the diamond level. Now, the last level, which is the most powerful one, in my opinion, is the enterprise level, which is a one-time investment of $500. Okay, at this level, you're going to get access to the 10K per month blueprint and you're gonna get access to my exclusive bonus trainings where I show you how I generate 10 to 20 sales every single week on complete autopilot, meaning that I can be out and about hanging out with my family and friends, and I'm receiving commissions on a daily basis, receiving $500 commissions, $250 commissions while I'm traveling, unlimited $100 commissions, $25 commissions when I'm out and about doing things, creating memories with my family. And that's what you're gonna get at the $500 level. You definitely wanna take advantage of that. Get back to the person that invited you to watch this video. Start changing your life, right? You can become your own CEO if you are coachable, right? Meaning that you are able to follow simple step-by-step instructions. And if you are willing to commit to your success, commit to seeing your business succeed within the next 90 days, right? I need your full commitment for the next 90 days. If that is you, if you want to change your life, get started with us today. Get back to the person that invited you to watch this video. Change your life, right? Other than that, I will see you at the top.